You may already know that some YouTubers are making good income every month by uploading content without showing their faces. So, have you ever thought that you could do the same? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do this too. In this video, I'm going to give you an easy niche idea that is already being used by many YouTubers. Creating content for this niche is very easy, and you can do it in just a few minutes. You can create a YouTube channel, make videos, and upload them daily. In 3 to 4 months, your channel could really grow. If you watch this video and get started today, there's no reason you can't succeed. So, let's get started with the video and skip the talking. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, we need a font to generate the image. For this, you can use ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Personally, I prefer the one that suits my style. After accessing ChatGPT, I will provide the font. And then from there, it will offer us 5 simple prompts to generate the required images. To generate this image, the website I use is called Leonardo.ai. This website is free to use, and once you visit it, you'll see that it provides us with 180 credits per day to generate images. After going to this website, click on Image Creation, then paste the first font we generated. Afterward, select Model 1.0, set Enhance to Auto, choose Dynamic for the style, Medium for contrast, and set the preset to Mobile. Then click on Generate to create the image. After that, you will get 4 beautiful images like this. Then, what you need to do is paste the font we generated into Leonardo.ai and generate the image beautifully. The next step is to turn the generated image into a beautiful video. First, go to ChatGPT and provide the font. Then ChatGPT will generate a beautiful result for you. We use a website called HiDuo to animate these images. On that site, click on the Create Video option. After that, load the first generated image and paste the video frame that was generated. Then, generate the video, and in a few minutes, you'll be able to see a beautifully animated video. So, in this way, using the font generated by ChatGPT, paste it here, upload the images, and beautifully animate these videos. Now, the editing part. I use CapCut for this, which is very easy. If you prefer, you can also use good software like Premiere Pro. Alright, in CapCut, we import the videos we generated and add them to the timeline. Then, you can add your preferred background music. A tip, you can find copyright-free music on platforms like Pixabay or the YouTube audio library. Now, for each video, we need to add animation. To do this, select the first clip, then go to the top right section where it says Animation and choose the animation you like. You can do this for every clip. If you want, you can make some additional edits and then export the video. Once that's done, we have our final output. By the way, what do you think of today's video? Drop a comment.